Big setback really for the CBI. The Supreme Court has decided to dismiss now the curative petition. Bhopal, in the Bhopal gas tragedy case, we have Rhythm reporting on the story. She's with us on the phone line. Rhythm, can you tell us a little bit about the reason that the Supreme Court has cited in dismissing this petition?
Well, absolutely. What really happened is the Supreme Court has gone forward and dismissed the curative petition that was filed by the CBI by maintaining that the 1996 judgment that was filed in the Supreme Court by Justice Ahmadi that had diluted charges, according to them, was not actually something that was going to be creating a fetter for the Sessions Court. What this really means is that the court is trying to say that if more charges under stringent sections had to be framed against the accused, the court could go forward and do that without actually taking into consideration this particular judgment. What this means is that now they can approach the CBI. The 1996 judgment was based on the CBI evidence that was produced at that time. They've actually clarified that and therefore gone ahead and validated that 1996 judgment that was earlier facing criticism that was given by Justice Ahmadi, former Chief Justice of India. But clearly for our viewers really joining in, what it really means is that all the accused can be charged under the most stringent sections of 304 Part 2 by the Sessions Court itself. It does not require the interference of the Supreme Court. It does not require the setting aside of the 1996 judgment. The court has in fact gone ahead and criticized the CBI in some ways by saying that you did not come forward to us earlier. You came to us 14 years later and now you are giving us all these reasons which we don't need. In fact, they've also validated, like I said, that 1996 review judgment that was given by Justice Ahmadi. That particular judgment had said that all the charges that were there would be under the less stringent section of 304A, that is having a maximum punishment of 2 years. That is the charge that was given in 1996 by Justice Ahmadi to all the accused in the Bhopal case. Now what the Supreme Court is saying is that particular judgment does not tie the hands of any competent court in this country to go forward and increase the judgment, increase the sentence of those accused. In fact, all the sections of every law book that we have override any Supreme Court judgment. Hence, there's no need for that judgment to be set aside. If in fact the CBI or anybody wants to have harsher punishment for the accused, they should have simply just gone to the Sessions Court